Kids ever call you to let you know that the dishwasher's blowing bubbles out the bottom and flooding your kitchen? Don't panic, here's what you do. For starters, what's most likely happening is that we've introduced a soap into the dishwasher that the dishwasher is not intended to use. The most common soap that's going to make its way inside of your dishwasher that's not supposed to be there is going to be Dawn. Dawn is very good at degreasing things and creating lots of suds. However, dishwasher soap or dishwashing detergent is not meant to create suds at all. So how do you nip those bubbles in the butt and save your kitchen floor? Well, it's as easy as introducing a little bit of vegetable oil. Pour about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup in the bottom of the dishwasher, close the door, and let it continue to run for just a few more minutes. After a few minutes have gone by, open the door again and select the cancel drain cycle. Once you've allowed the unit to completely drain, go ahead and open the door again and rerun the normal wash cycle. Allow the unit to run for about 5 minutes or so, and then again open the door, select the cancel drain button, and allow the unit to completely drain out. Once the unit has completely drained out, go ahead and open the door and inspect the bottom for suds. If suds still exist, go ahead and start the normal wash cycle and just repeat that process until the suds are gone. If there are no more suds, then it's life back to normal. Lastly, if you wanted to know how I got that stainless steel so nice and shiny, go ahead and check out our video on cleaning stainless steel with WD-40.